In problem number 1, there is a rock. A rock is shot up vertically upward from the edge of the top of the building. So imagine that you have here a kind of a building and you have the ground. Okay, so that's the building. And a rock is shot up vertically. Most likely there's a person here who made that happen. So there's the rock there. So the rock reaches its maximum height. It was thrown up most likely and it went down. So there's that path. It reaches the maximum height. Let's call that H1 for 2 seconds. Now let's name this point 1, point 2, now point 3. I'm going to explain why we need this later on. And we have point 4. So from point 1 to point 2, as it reaches the maximum height, it took 2 seconds for it to reach it. Okay, then barely missing the edge of the building, as it falls downward, the rock strikes the ground 8 seconds after it was launched. So the time from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, it is equal to 8 seconds. The question is, what is the upward velocity the rock was shot at? Let's call this U1. The second one is, what is the maximum height above the building the rock reaches? So we have H1. And finally, how tall is the building? So this is now the height of the building. Let's call it H2. Disregard air resistance. That is the diagram of problem number 1.